here we are with the LCL Communicators NI440DX. It's the early version with the yellow meter. And yes, it's the same as the Manor Kestrel and the Serpent UK 4000 and the Sapphire X. Was it the Sapphire? Anyway, something like that. Let's see whether Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21 copied. You know the Roger bleep's on?
Roger, I've turned it off now.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster Service Station.
Roger got you at Ancaster Service Station.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill. We'll go down in towards Wilford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on an LCL Communicators NI440DX early version, and I'm doing 3.5 watts over.
Roger, sounds very good for those 3.5 watts.
Roger.
Right, now going over Wilford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn. So remember, this radio isn't quite as sensitive as some sets at 1.2 microvolts, and of course it's doing 3.5 watts rather than 4. So the next one is the most difficult one at the 5 mile point, which is the Grayleys turn. Roger got you at the Grayleys turn, over. Right, so we got that alright and he acknowledged, so that was fine. Roger got you going over Rawsby at level crossing, and that concludes the test, thank you.
Roger that,
10-10. Well, you know, there you are. So, you know, we get sets on here that will do 0.3 of a microvolt. This one's doing 1.2, and it hardly affects it at all. The squelch cutting as he went over the rails, that often happens at the 6 mile point. And when you hear this on the base station, these are normally very clear. So what I'm going to do now, we just look at the figures of my own set, and I think we'll use my set as the test to the base station. Because that'll be the one that's left on the bench. I might have a different microphone as well. So that was with the standard microphone, the standard replacement microphone, because the radio came in with none. So yeah, that's what we'll discuss the figures on my set next. Come to look at the figures on mine. Mine's doing 3 watts, whereas the customer's is doing, well, 3.2 on. No, let's be fair. 3.5 at for charging voltage, and 3 watts on mine. So his is working a bit better, and the receives virtually the same. He's got 1.2 microvolts for 12 decibel SINAD. I've got 1.25, so you could split hairs. 1.1 he's got for 10 dB. I've got 1.15. For 20 dB he's got 1.7 microvolts. I've got 2.3. So mine's actually slightly inferior. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go through to the base station. We'll use mine, and I've got the factory original mic on mine, and then we'll try it with the replacement mic as well. So that's what we'll do, and I'll switch the Roger bleep on at the end.
Tango 21, I decided to switch back to the customer's radio, so we're on the customer's communicator NI440DX early version with the standard replacement microphone. I'll switch the Roger bleep on, and then we'll go over to the factory original microphone of my own. Tango 21 testing with the factory original microphone. Thanks for watching.